Hello and welcome back to English Unleashed, your space to listen, repeat, shadow, and speak English at a natural pace. I'm Chihan, and I'm so happy you're here. In today's episode, we'll practice talking about something simple, your day. Morning, afternoon, evening, your real life in English. I'll speak slowly. I'll use clear and simple words. And I'll repeat ideas so you can follow, shadow, and speak with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Why talk about your day? Why is it good to talk about your day in English? Because your day is real. You don't need to imagine anything. You already know the answers. What time do you wake up? What do you eat? Where do you go? What do you do in the evening? These are simple questions. But they help you build your English step by step. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. And today, we will try together. Morning routine, shadowing practice. Let's start with the morning. Repeat each sentence after me slowly. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Pause for repetition. I stretch my body and take a deep breath. I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Sometimes I take a shower if I feel sleepy. I get dressed and go to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast, maybe toast and coffee. While I eat, I listen to English or just enjoy the quiet. After breakfast, I check my phone and get ready for the day. Then I leave the house. Afternoon routine, shadowing practice. Now let's talk about the afternoon. After lunch, I go back to work. I check my emails and read messages. Sometimes I have meetings or calls. If I work from home, I sit at my desk. I type, I write, I focus on my tasks. Around 3 o'clock, I take a short break. I drink tea or eat a small snack. If the weather is nice, I take a short walk. Fresh air helps me feel better. Evening routine, shadowing practice. Now let's talk about the evening. I come home around 6 or 7. I take off my shoes and rest for a few minutes. I cook dinner or order food. I eat slowly and talk with my family. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Sometimes I read a book or watch a short video. Before bed, I brush my teeth and take a shower. I relax and prepare for sleep. I go to bed around 10 or 11. Wrap up. Speak about your day. Now it's your turn. What does your day look like? What time do you wake up? What do you eat? What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do before bed? Try to say it out loud right now. Even if it's only 2 or 3 sentences, it's progress. Remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be real. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep growing. You're not just learning English. You're living in English. I'm Chihan, and I'm proud of your effort. See you next time here on English Unleashed. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below.